back to Cantuti Plans. This is Carmen, and today I'm going to be planning in my last week of 2022 in my classic Happy Vertical Catch-all planner that I had been using all of this year. So it'll be from December 26th through January 1st. And today I'm going to be using stickers from the Designer Chameleon New Year 2023 collection. So I will be using this deco sheet here, which is awesome. And then this functional box sticker sheet from Designer Chameleon. I am a brand ambassador for Designer Chameleon. So if you would like to get any of her other stickers at her shop, you can use code Carmen15 for 15% off of your order and a free sticker sheet. I'm also going to be using some stickers from my Happy Planner Colorful Boxes Do-It-Yourself sticker book that I made. So basically this is just a sticker book full of all of my Colorful Boxes stickers. So I pulled some out of this. And I'm also going to be using stickers from the Mojojojoplans Autumn Boxes. Now I know we're in winter, not autumn, but for this spread, in the colors that I have in my stickers, the colors in this Autumn Boxes sticker book were the ones that fit best or that matched the most. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm also going to be using my Daily Gratitude script stickers from Steph's Designspace. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull those out. And that's gonna be these stickers right here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some stickers on the page here, and I'm going to go ahead and pull my boxes sticker book open to the stickers that I need, and the ones that are going to be matching are going to be these green stickers, these olive green stickers that go really well with this. So I'm going to have this open here to the side. Now I did pull out some of the pinks that I had in my Colorful Boxes sticker book from the Happy Planner because I think they match pretty well with this. But as you can see, they have some script written on there, but that's going to be a very easy fix. I'm just going to go ahead and take my white out. It's going to be my big white out here. And I'm just going to go over the sections that have writing on them just so that I can turn these into boxes that I can use to write my own notes on. Okay, so I got 2 of them cleared up. I'm working on the rest here. I hope you guys all had a wonderful and Merry Christmas. And I hope that you have a Happy New Year and that your 2023 be all that you want it to be. All right, so I went ahead and took some white out, and now I have some functional boxes to add. Okay, so I'm going to have these here, and let's go ahead and get going with our boxes first, and then I'll put in the deco. So I know I want to notate my trash and recycle pickup schedule. Now, because of the days that New Year's Eve and New Year's Day land on this year, my trash and recycle pickup won't be affected, so that's good. Okay, so I got those days noted there. And let's see here. I do want to put my sidebar down, and I'm going to go ahead and put down one of these here. All right. Okay, so now that I've got those things noted, I do want to put this Happy New Year down at the bottom of Saturday or Sunday. I probably will put the clock countdown because we'll be waiting for the clock to count down here. I don't know where exactly I want to put it. Okay. Right in here then, right in the center. I do want to leave some space so that I can put this bottle of champagne down right here at the bottom with a couple of champagne glasses. Okay, so I got one, and then I'll put the second one right there. All right. Then it'll be the Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Let's see. I want to get this right because I don't want to take it off. So Happy New Year, and then the big 2023 right here. Kind of want to put it going down, but I like how this looks. So let's see. Happy New Year. Want to make sure I don't have to cut out too much. Okay. And then I do want to put a box down here because we are going to church on Sunday. And then, let's see, there are parts of this I need to cut. They're sticking out just a little bit. Okay. Looks pretty good there. And the only thing I have left of deco is these little streamers. So, but I do have a couple of 2023s. So what I think I'm gonna do is put some 2023s on each side of the sidebar, and maybe put some of these ribbons. Okay. To ring in the new year. Okay, so I'm going to take this one, put it over here, and then try to find a small one to fit in the corner down over, or not so much the corner, we'll put it here. Okay. All right. So this sheet is almost gone, but I am going to take this Designer Chameleon sticker with the logo of the shop so that I can go ahead and use it here, just to remind myself that this was an inspired spread from the Designer Chameleon sticker sheet here. Okay, so I'm going to put that to the side, and now I've got my functional boxes to work with here. So I'm going to go ahead and put my pages out so I can see what I've gotten in so far. Okay. All right. So my sister and I, my sister, my husband, and her husband, we're all going to go after Christmas shopping super early on Monday. So we're going to go ahead and notate that there, but I got to make sure it's straight. Okay. All right. And then let's see. Then I'm going to put this sticker here right across the bottom so I could cover all three of the days here. I have 3 things to do here that I'm sure I can find to put in there, and then I'm going to put another one of these glittery ones down right over here, because I will surely have things that come up that I need to do. Yeah, I'm going to go to my in-laws on Saturday. We're going to go ahead and visit them and drop off some tamales to them. And let's see here. I have 2 more of these stickers left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one down here on Thursday. That way I have one on each page here. And then this one can go down over here on a Wednesday. Okay. Maybe, let's see, where exactly do I want that? Yeah, that's going to be a good spot for it, I think. Okay, so then I'm done with this sticker sheet. Now, in order to be done with this one here, I am going to take these sparkles and I'm going to try to sprinkle them in places around the page. So I'm going to put this one right over here. And I have one more 2023 left. So let's do that one right here. Okay, and so I have both of these sticker sheets done. And I do want to use these stickers that I pulled from my functional boxes. So we're going to find a good place for these. This one can go right over there. And this one can go right over here. I do need to fix this one. It is a bit crooked. All right. So do you guys have any plans for New Year's? I hear that it's hard to get flights out and that lots of flights are being canceled. So if you're traveling, I hope that it's not too stressful. And let's see here, maybe here. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and add my daily gratitude sticker here. And I am just going to use some black bullet points. Okay. Now I do need my tweezers for these because I can't grab them and put them down with my big fingers. So it's a lot easier to just grab with the tweezers. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right. I'm going to take one last glance here just to make sure everything I wanted to include is here. All right, guys, so I think this concludes my plan with me for the last week of 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me, and I do wish you a happy new year. And I also hope that you guys click the like, subscribe, and notification button so that you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you guys all in the next one. Bye.